Hello and welcome, creative souls, to Vera Artist. Today, in our exciting The Art of Prompt Writing series, we're embarking on a journey that blends creativity with precision. Get ready to dive into an exploration of imagination as we demonstrate how to craft a simple yet compelling prompt to bring a vintage circus with a modern twist to vivid life. Can you imagine transforming your thoughts into a captivating digital masterpiece with just a few carefully chosen words? Ready to unleash the boundless potential of your creativity? Let's launch into this fascinating adventure with excitement. This tutorial is designed not just to teach, but to unlock the creative genius within you. We're here to inspire you to transform your visions into stunning digital images. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of visual storytelling? Creating eye-catching masterpieces with flux. One relies on the magic of writing precise, descriptive prompts. Here are the thrilling details of your current project. Title: Vintage Circus with a Modern Twist. It all begins with the title, a spark that sets your creative journey in motion. Style: retro with contemporary elements. Your chosen style colors the entire project with its unique flair, influencing each creative decision. Scene description: a classic circus setting featuring a grand, red and white striped big top, surrounded by a lively atmosphere. Modern elements like LED lights and interactive digital displays bring a fresh twist to the traditional setup. The scene description builds the world where your artistic story unfolds, captivating the viewers from the first glance. Emotion and atmosphere: nostalgic yet exciting and innovative. Emotion and atmosphere breathe life into your work, shaping how viewers feel and connect with your art. Lighting: a mix of warm, incandescent bulbs and vibrant, colorful LED lights. Lighting infuses your scene with depth and intrigue, highlighting details and casting shadows that captivate the viewer. Color palette: classic reds, whites, and golds blended with bright blues and purples. Colors evoke emotions and create a visual symphony, filling your image with life and vitality. Camera angle and perspective: mid-level view capturing both the grandeur of the tent and the bustling activity around it. The camera angle defines the viewer's journey, guiding their gaze and creating an immersive experience. Main subjects and object details: traditional circus performers, futuristic acrobatic equipment, and lively spectators. Main subjects serve as the stars of your visual story, drawing in the viewer's imagination. Textures and materials: canvas tent fabric, sparkling costumes, and sleek modern materials. Textures enhance realism, inviting viewers to feel the scene and adding layers of richness. Movement and dynamics: energetic performances, dynamic light displays, and engaging audience interactions. Movement adds rhythm to your composition, guiding the viewer's eye through the visual narrative. Interaction of elements: juxtaposition of classic circus motifs with cutting-edge technology. Element interactions create harmony and flow, weaving a cohesive and engaging story. Symbolism and narrative: bridging the past and present in a celebration of entertainment history. Symbolism adds depth, inviting viewers to explore hidden meanings and narratives. Composition: lively and balanced, with a focus on blending old and new. Composition balances and arranges elements, crafting a visual journey that captivates and pleases the eye. Additional considerations: highlight the innovative use of technology within the vintage setting. Unique touches bring a signature flair to your work, making it unforgettable. Now that our detailed prompt is complete, let's witness the magic unfold. Here, display the image or the creation process. The final image beautifully reflects the intricacy and imagination infused into our prompt, showcasing the magic of creativity at its best. We hope you're inspired by this adventure and see how a simple prompt can unlock a world of creativity. Share your own prompts or creative thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't miss out on our upcoming episodes, subscribe to Vera Artist and continue this exciting creative journey with us.